Hello students, today now we are going to start exercise 7.2. See their first question. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, the bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O. Show that these two things we have to prove. Now according to that which they have given, we will make the triangle. Isosceles triangles and AB AC equal, so I have made their triangle. ABC, AB and AC equal. After that they said the bisector of angle B and angle C. Bisector means this which divided it into equal parts. This also bisector. They meet at point O and then join O and A. Show that OB is equal to OC. This we have to prove. Clear? So first of all, see there. AB equal to AC, that is given to us. Clear? Angle B equal to angle C. This side and this side equal. I have told you property in first video. If sides equal, then angles opposite to these sides will be equal. This full angle and this full angle, you can write angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Reason you have to write, reason is must. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Clear? So if we will do half of angle ABC is equal to half of angle ACB. Half of ABC, you can write OBC. Angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Now see, this angle and this angle equal. OBC means this angle, OCB means this angle equal. If angles equal, then this and this side will be equal. Therefore, OB is equal to OC. Reason same. Now write sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So first point proved. Now second, AO bisect angle A. AO bisect this angle A. So to prove this we have to take triangles. Take triangle OAB and triangle OAC. These two triangles we will take. AB is equal to AC, that is given. Okay. OB equal to OC we have proved, and OA equals to OA, that is common. So three sides equal came by SSS congruency. Triangle OAB congruent to triangle OAC. Triangles congruent, it means angle 1 and angle 2 will be equal. So we can write angle 1 equals to angle 2. So therefore AO bisects angle A. Clear? Again you can see once this full question. You can see this second question is also same we have done. So you can do like this. Clear? See here next third question. ABC isosceles triangle. ABC is isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. These two sides equal given AC and AB. Show that these altitudes are equal. We have to prove BE and CF equal. Okay. So now come on question. How to prove? First of all, in triangle ABC, this full big triangle we have taken. AB is equal to AC given. That is given to us. Okay, after that angle ACB equals to angle ABC. ABAC equal, then these angles will be also equal, so reason is there. So angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Same angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, so angle ACB written, we can write it BCE also, and to this ABC we can write CBF. Clear? This we can write like this, and this angle we can write like this. Now take triangle. In triangle BCF and triangle CBE, BCF and CBE, BC is equal to BC common, angle BCE, this we will use here, is equal to CBF, that given or proved. You can write angle CFB, angle CEB 90 degree, because they are making an angle 90 degree. So we can write by ASA congruency, triangle BCF congruent to triangle CBE. If triangle is congruent, then CF is equal to BE by CPCT, you can write. So this we have to prove equal, so that came. Clear? Next, see this fifth question. They said ABC and DBC, these two are isosceles triangles on the same base. Show that angle ABD, angle ACD both are equal. These angles we have to prove equal. So what we will do, first of all, in triangle ABC, upper triangle we have taken AB equals to AC. If AB equals to AC, then we can write angle ABC equal to angle ACB. These angles, this upper angle opposite to this and this opposite to this, these will be equal. So name as one. Reason also write angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Clear? Next, take triangle BDC. BD is equal to DC. These two sides equal, so we can write angle DBC equal to angle DCB. These two angles will be equal. Name it to same reason here. Okay. Now we will add 1 and 2. This 1 and 2, this equation and this equation we will add. Angle ABC and DBC is equal to angle ACB plus DCB. Add ABC, DBC. We can write it ABB, ACB, DCB. We can write it ACD. So this we want to prove, so we have proved. Clear? Sixth question, they have said that ABC is an isosceles triangle. This ABC is isosceles triangle in which AB and AC equal. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. Show that angle BCD, this angle we have to prove that it is of 90 degree. Clear? Now what they have given, according to that we will move. Now first of all, they have given AB is equal to AC, name as 1, that is given. Clear? If AB AC equal, these two sides equal. If AB is equal to AC, then we can write angle ACB equals to angle ABC. Then ACB, this angle, and ABC, this angle, they both angles will be also equal. Name it 2. If sides equal, then angles will be also equal. Same reason, angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. Clear? So now if AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AB also given, that is also given, so we can write from 1 and 3, AB AC equal AD, AB equals, so we can write AC is equal to AD. Clear? Now see, AC and AD equal, these two sides equal, then opposite angles will be also equal. Angle opposite to this side this, and angle opposite to this side this. Sorry, AC, AD, these two. This angle and this angle will be equal. So we can write angle ADC, ACD will be equal. Name it for reason will be same here. This one. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now see, from 2 and 4, this 2 given, this 4 given. Sorry, add 2 and 4. We have to add these two. Angle ACB. This ACB, C is in center coming here also, which is in center, see that add. ACD is equal to ABC plus angle ADC. ACB and ACD. ACB, ACD. We can write BCD. So right here BCD. That same ABC, ADC. Clear? Now add this same angle BCD on both sides. Angle BCD plus angle BCD. This side also ABC, ADC, BCD. Clear? Now see, that will become 2 times BCD. But ABC, see triangle, ABC, this angle, ADC, ADC, this angle, BCD, BCD, this full angle. These 3 are angles of this triangle. If these 3 are angles of this triangle, then sum is 180 degree. Because, reason right there, because sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Clear? 2 times BCD is equal to 180 degree. So BCD is equal to 180 by 2, 90 degree. Angle BCD 90 degree, that we have to prove. So we have proved. You can see this is 7th question and this 8th question. These all are same. So as like you can do. Clear? So with this our exercise 7.2 is completed.